Hey guys, it's Ava and I'm here with
Dessa, her cousin.
and today we are going to be making slime.
Mine's is kind of reddish, pinkish.
So this is
It looks like a right kind of.
this is my slime we made yesterday and that's a bomb slime.
I'm slime guys.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this slime back in the cup because we made like a slime smoothie. Oh, and this slime farts too.
See?
Okay.
She's at my house right now, though.
Yeah, I'm at Hadessa's house right now. So these are the ingredients we're gonna be needing. We kind of already made some slime in this one, so I'm just gonna
Scoop the other slime out. Because some of your slime got stuck in my way in deep in my slime.
So the first thing you're gonna need is a bowl, and then
Ew.
we have our spoon, and this is the borax mixing spoon. But sometimes I use this stick, which we're also gonna need, and we've got our 3 food dyes. So,
Blue, yellow, and red.
so we're gonna set those aside. We've got the glue.
Is that? Oh yeah, that's Ezekiel. My brother Ezekiel. So now he just got home from school.
Ezekiel?
And
Shush.
3 packets of borax, and we've got our water, and of course we have gloves.
Where's my gloves? Wait, Ava, that's my
Oh,
gloves.
those are
Ezekiel.
Hadessa's pair of gloves. So, gloves on. So now, first I'm gonna take my glue and do 1 squirt, 2 squirts, 3 squirts. 3 small squirts.
So you gonna pick up those stuff that you dropped?
And then I'm going to take some water and put a little water in the glue, and I'm going to take my spoon and mix the water in. Oops, I forgot. I need my surface so that this nice table doesn't get glue all over it. So I'm just mixing in the glue, mixing in the glue, mixing in the glue. Mix.
Oh, my slime matches my hair.
Okay, and then there's a
I just
blue slime.
noticed that though.
So then I think I'm gonna do a nice blue color.
Ava, show your face.
You don't get to come in here talking to me and you're kind of way there.
That wasn't ugly.
I don't care. I just told you that was a bad choice of joke.
Okay.
I mean, you should know.
Don't mind the people in the background.
That's
Just
his
don't
There are
mind
some
them.
jokes that I got that I can't give to you. I can give to another person and they'll get it. So why would you think that would be something I would receive as a joke to want to laugh about it? Because a joke is supposed to be entertaining and make you laugh.
Yeah, I said one of my revolvers.
No, first you said who you think it would be. Instead of you couldn't just say yes, mom, it's me.
That's my brother and my mom arguing. My brother
Okay,
is
there's
12.
that blue.
My brother is 12 and he's arguing with my mom.
Bad choice of joke.
Okay, now
Ava, this one
we already
doesn't
have
work.
some
Ow!
borax.
Just poor choice.
So
Felicia.
I'm gonna pour a little bit in and mix. And mix.
I made my slime real fast, right, Ava? Like I did it like
But I don't make my slime that fast, so that's what it looks like so far.
Oh, so many slides.
Howdy, Grace. You're not
Grace is our dog.
You're not going outside, Grace.
And a little bit more. And
Oh, you guys already have slime.
So make it more.
I had it this time.
So you gotta just that. Oh. So
Assess
you guys are not
slime.
making me in. That's how it is now. I see this how it is.
You never said you wanted
I
slime.
wanted some.
Okay.
I told you to use your gloves.
I don't need gloves.
Use
Grace,
brains
stop
while you make
crying.
slime.
Don't say
Use
don't
gloves.
stop whining because you guys haven't taken her out, have you?
We have.
They never told us to.
You told to take her out anyway. What if you're holding in your pee for like numerous of hours?
Ew.
Or holding in your poop for that long?
Ew.
That's not a humanly thing. A dog cannot do that. Let her out.
Oh, overnight,
Let
like,
her out.
I used to hold
Go,
it.
Grace, go. Just let her out.
Okay, cool. We should.
Go, Grace.
So,
Not supposed to let a dog
I'm
hold
gonna
in their
keep
poop for that long.
needing this because this is what it looks like so far. It looks really
Go! Go to freedom!
good. Is she scared of snow?
No, she isn't. She actually eats it, so.
Ew. By the way, Grace is a dog.
Are you
I
person
think
that?
I know.
Don't film my slime, honey boo boo.
Can I get some slime?
No.
Why?
I'm just kidding.
I know we're gonna mix you some soon,
Come
okay?
on.
You're not getting that. We don't have that much slime.
No,
I mean
won't.
glue.
Come on. You guys have blue and the black. I'll buy you guys a new black and blue thing later.
But I'm leaving soon.
No, buy me a new one. No, make me a new one. Not buy. Make me a new one.
So that's what the slime looks like. What do you watch? What's up with you?
I'm licking the glue bottle because it tastes good.
That's called clickbait.
It's not called clickbait. I'm actually licking the glue bottle.
No, you weren't. No, don't pretend. Don't pretend.
For
Don't
real,
pretend.
I'm actually licking it. I like the glue, see? Yours white on my tongue.
No, since you're not really eating glue, I will.
Okay.
Eat it. It says
Yeah,
safe,
try a
non-toxic.
little bit. Tone it
So
down.
I'm gonna take some. Ah! Okay.
Calm down a little bit. Calm
That's
down.
just gonna be for Hadassah's
Was
back.
that for me?
No.
No.
Why are you guys not making me any?
We don't make you that bad. There's still glue in that.
This one I like.
Okay. So that's for Hadassah's back. And then, so there's the glue on my finger.
Wipe it on here. It's
And I'm about to do it. 3, 2, 1. That's not nasty, actually.
She's stupid.
It's non-toxic, and I'm not stupid.
So, if she thinks I'm gonna actually eat it.
All you did was lick the container.
No, there was like glue right there.
All you did was lick the container.
I ain't licking like glue is. There's actually glue on it. I know, honey boo boo. What do you think you will? Because I ain't doing that.
You're so weird.
First, we need to add
I
water.
really want to mix these two slimes up so your slime will be bigger.
No.
Should I do it?
No.
Why?
Because I don't want to slime like that. Girl, get your butt out of my butt.
I didn't. Mix! Better than that. You know you're better than that.
Mix.
Why does Adam Sella call us the Doomy Gang?
Will you wash his stuff now?
She's gonna have to stay
Literally,
outside.
no, stop.
But then she's gonna want to go back outside later.
No, I don't care as long as she's getting outside. I really don't care.
Why did you made the camera fall down? You doy.
Don't say that again.
Look at I made a turn
You guys,
for you.
we're gonna be right
I
back.
like to leave some.
Okay, guys, we're back. You're making
Why are you
purple
guys recording? I don't know.
because we can.
No, you're not even gonna edit the video. This is gonna be a raw video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really want to help you guys, but
I don't have the editing app, so.
I can help you guys, but you guys are rude.
So this is the slime we made yesterday. It's not as stretchy as I would want it to be, though. but it's still stretchy. This slime is way stretchier than that. It's so small. Ah!
Pause.
Why?
Do you know why I said pause?
No.
Because you said it's so small. You don't get it?
Ew, you're nasty. You think
That's
so
why I said
wrong.
pause.
So, there we
Fudge.
go. We're back.
Fudge. Now. Fudge. Nudge. Crudge.
The
Sludge, mudge, smudge.
That's borax, you know that.
You
Blood.
spilled borax. Now I gotta clean it up. Well, at least the table looks nice. It looks nice and shiny.
Sorry, Brad.
Seriously. So now we have borax if our slime's too sticky. Woohoo! Now there's borax all over the table. Hashtag sarcasm.
Then it comes around, then around, then around.
I hate that song.
You are not eating Cheerios.
Good goes around.
This comes. One of the schools unfortunately about Tony the Tiger.
It's Daniel Tiger's neighborhood.
No, don't do that again.
It's Daniel Tiger's neighborhood. Look.
Believe, won't you
Ride along with me.
Ride along.
Won't you ride along with me?
No,
That's
never
really
in
stupid.
my life because Daniel Tiger is stupid like a monkey.
No, he's not.
Yes,
Yes, he
Pretty
is.
cool, not gonna lie.
Oh my
He's only like
gosh.
5 years old, so. what
I don't
do you
care.
expect?
Okay, my turn.
Isn't it my turn? Are you guys gonna make my slime yet?
Give us some more glue.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna lie. You're
Hadessa, what the heck happened to the color of your
I
slime?
don't know, but I was thinking creative and now look what it got me. Look
It's
what it
still
got
pretty
me.
though. It's nice. It's a nice purple color. So this is Hadessa's
It
slime.
looks so ugly if you guys see it in real life though.
Well, I actually like it. That's probably a slime I would play with. Cause I don't really.
It's kind of stretchy.
Don't judge a slime by its color.
Yeah. Don't say that.
Don't judge a slime by its color.
Ready? Whoever catches it gets my slime. Wait,
Bruh.
whoever catches it catch.
Got it.
Whoever catches it catch my slime. Ready? Say go. Got it.
I don't want it. Okay. More
Mine
fart
is
slime
yellow.
action. That was lame.
Hey!
That's farting slime action.
Hey, well, bend your head down. Nobody can see you or me.
I'm
No,
right here.
like this. Like this. Like this, like how I'm
Okay,
doing.
so I'm gonna kneel down and make my slime, but
Bend more down.
I need to stand up and put the glue in.
Bend more down a little bit.
This is gonna be the last of this glue.
Yeah, cause that's
We have more. We have more glue over there, Ezekiel.
Oh, that's for me then. I went quite a bit, so I kind of like.
We have more slime over there,
Oh,
so
for
don't
me then?
worry.
Wait, so you're not making it for me now?
We have slime right here.
Well, you need to buy us more glue.
Okay, so you're gonna make it right now?
No, after Ava's done with hers.
If you buy us more
I
glue,
will later.
You're only get a little bit of slime because there's not.
No, I want quite a lot.
Fine.
no, not fine.
No, please. Like,
Don't agree to him.
I've never had slime before in my life, actually. You know, I did
Then,
make slime
then
before
you
I
just
did that.
missed out on everything.
Can you just make me something, please? Like.
What
yeah,
color?
Like, any color. Actually, no, blue.
No, we already made a lot of glue.
What color do you have?
Where'd the blue? Oh, we have red, blue, and yellow, the primary color.
Ew.
It's like red and yellow, so orange.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes the colors evenly though. So.
I know.
Don't use a lot of red because the red overpowers yellow.
I know. R-E.
Where's blue? Oh.
No, you don't need blue, Avon. Okay, so I'm gonna just do. Oh, I have to water down the glue first. Okay. Then I
Yvonne, do you want your
water down
slime?
the glue.
Oh. Black
Watered. I'm using this spoon.
Yvonne, do
Your
you want
orange slime might have some of Hadessa's ugly slime in it.
Why don't you guys wash the bowl yet?
Because we didn't want to. We ain't got time for that.
Eva, bend all the way down and push the ball.
No.
Daniel just a sucky.
They already know who I am though. Because I have a lot of YouTube videos. What the heck, Hadessa? Okay. So, okay, I need to be focused on this, Hadessa. So move.
He's eating cereal.
It's not a here.
Don't stand up in the chairs.
Okay, there's
Oh, I thought
one.
he was talking about Grace for a second.
Don't stand up in the chairs again.
It's okay, buddy.
I splash him over here.
You're weird.
I want some hot chocolate and I'm gonna bake some because I'm a rich son. It's a rich mode. It's a rich mode.
So this is what it looks like. It's the beautiful orange slime. Let me ask him if the color's right.
Is this a good color?
A little bit more red.
What the heck are you watching? What the? If that almost hit my head, I will slap you.
There's slime in your head.
Takes that out of my hair.
No.
I'm telling on you.
I don't care because there's no slime in your hair.
Okay, let me ask him.
How about this color?
That's good.
Thank you. I've been working my butt off. Literally. No, I'm just kidding. Okay.
There's no, you can tell because there's no slime in your hair.
Okay.
Funny fact.
Okay. Yep, add a little bit of activator at a time. Your slime is not going to be that big, Ezekiel. I'm just saying.
Come on. I like them all the time you can, please. So at that bottle, and at that bottle, please.
There's no even no more in this house.
Okay,
He's
then
talking
I
about.
go too long.
He's talking about add the other one. You need to buy us more glue then. How about that?
I will.
That's bad.
Where's your money?
You want to fight? No, that's whack. What you finna do? Just talk smack.
Nobody knows. Yeah, well, exactly. Why did I say? How funny she took it for the bag.
Alright, do you add those two glues to it?
This is so small. He'll never accept this.
Yeah, can you add some more glue? Yes, if you get the glue.
So there's that. The video's gonna end soon anyways. We have like 3 minutes until it ends. Or at
Should I
4.
mix this together and see what it turns out to?
Yeah.
I already did it. Okay, good. Oh, okay.
Okay, so
We're gonna. But this slime looks so good and pretty. I don't want to mess it up. I don't care. I'm a savage on that, guys.
okay.
Sounds like someone's pooping. The pink is covering it.
Come on. It's been 2 minutes. Well, guys, this video is gonna end soon.
So, peace before it ends.
No. We'll say peace when we are ready to say peace. We don't have 3 more minutes. We have like 1 minute. 1 minute until this video ends. So,
It's about to end.
I know.
This is about to. Ooh, good.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so bye guys. Hope you had fun watching us make slime.
Don't act like that again. Don't ever. I want to see you do that.
Deuces.
Peace out, savages.